his opponent in the red corner, Benji Malinaw!
Dynasty Fight Club powered by URCC. Here we go again for another slap battle. This will be our last fight for our slap battle. And again, tomorrow we will have again another big event of slap battle. I'm going to explain the rules again here in the slap battle. There are only two rules. The first rule, the fighter needs to slap as hard as they can. The second rule is, don't let yourself get knocked out. Let's hear for our fighters what they have to say on their opponent. Let's start with Benji.
Yo, what's up sa inyo lahat? Yo, I can slap your face, you are dying.
Alright, he also said in Tagalog, your mom slapped harder than you. That's what he said. What are you gonna step? What are your response to him?
Good evening sa inyo lahat. Tingin ka kung saan pa ako baka makasulit ka.
That's it. So he just said, be careful on my slap. You might sleep well tonight. Alright, let's start. Jack and Paul. Alright? Ready? Ready? Sampalan na! Not bad. Not bad. We have a knockdown. Four, five. That's what you call a really, really hard slap. Oh my God.
I love you all! Good up people! Thank you!
Alright, just want to ask, what's in your mind before you do that hard slap? Ano yung nasa isip mo bago mo ginawa yung malaking sampal na yun?
Pero, pinag-tawa sa silent party. Ito pa rin pinakamit ng mga sisi. Ito yung nasa tayo ng mga matulog namin.
Alright, he said, he got angry because he said that his mom slapped harder than him. So that's the reason why.